ballot settings page is where you can designate specific information related to the ballot, including the form name and the description. Both will show up to the resident, so make sure it contains information that is relevant to what your current vote is for. You can also establish specific user permissions, such as who can vote in the ballot. If you only want board members to vote, only select board members, or you can select owners and board members, or even tenants or others for things such as surveys. The form restrictions is where you can put additional restrictions, such as 1 vote per unit. You can choose to hide the results until the ballot is archived. Essentially, until the ballot is closed, no one will be able to see the results. You can do secret ballots, where it will hide confidential information or private information, such as the user's name, in the actual results table. And then you can calculate the percent of ownership if that is relevant to the election. Many communities have some kind of setup in which a specific weight is applied based off how much of the community is owned by each individual. You can set the quorum. So if this needs 30 votes to pass, you would just put that in there. And then you can set the specific start and end date. These are this is the time window where the vote can be submitted. Once you're ready to go live, you would then click activate. And the important difference between activate and the vote start and end date is when you activate a ballot, it displays in the portal so people can begin to see what the form looks like and even kind of click around and read any kind of documentation related to it, but they can't vote until the vote start and end date times are within that window. If these are not populated, then there is no start and end date and they can vote whenever. Or if you want them to start voting immediately, you can leave start date empty and set the end date for whenever you plan on closing the ballot. Once all these are filled out, you can then go to Save and go to Form Builder to immediately start building the form.